Hello everybody, it's Tari here from ABI Interiors, and today I'm in the beautiful Gold Coast outside Vantage by H&H Constructions, Reece, Keil Design and Studio Yugen. This contemporary coastal home puts a luxe twist on the Australian beach house. Let's head inside. Now, Adam and Tash from H&H Constructions really wanted this house to feel like a resort as soon as you step in the front door. And I have to say, they have definitely succeeded in that. You have this Endercote crazy pave underfoot, and then this curved feature wall guiding you to the front door. You even catch a glimpse of the pool and outdoor entertaining area on your way into the kitchen. Honestly, I don't even know where to start with this home. As soon as you step in the front door, there is just something in every direction to marvel at. You're going to see that the architecture is just super unique. As soon as you come in that front door, you're welcomed with this incredible void here with those 3 square skylights. Now this island benchtop is just so eye-catching. This is a Grigio or Solar stone from Arta Dermis, and it pairs so perfectly with that brushed copper. This whole home was focused on connectivity, and you can really see that from this kitchen, because from where I'm standing I have 180-degree views of almost the entire house. I can see the outdoor area, I can see the pool, so you can really appreciate that the functionality of this layout was considered for a young family. Now over here is a butler's pantry. So as we make our way past the dining and living to the northern end of this floor, I do just want to take a moment to appreciate the detail that's gone into the construction of this home. Every single corner is square set perfectly, the brickwork is meticulously aligned, and even the VJ above the kitchen there is centre aligned with the ducting. It's those small details that just make a massive impact. So we pass the living, and you're into the laundry and the first glimpse of some of the finishes that are going to appear in the wet rooms. Then we have a powder room, and I have to say I've never seen so many ABI products in one space before. And then we have the guest wing. What an epic view you've got from the bed looking out at the ocean there. You've got this gorgeous headboard here, a walk-in robe, and then an ensuite. And I do just want to take a moment for this cork tile. I've never seen this in a house before, and I think it does such a great job adding some texture. So let's head upstairs. Take a look at that stunning triangular window, and you can see how this whole retreat floor is floating above the outdoor area. So up the stairs and we're down the southern end of the home. We have the retreat to my left. Through here is the study. But how cool is this? This handle is actually our Otto hand towel rail that's been turned into a functioning holder for the sliding custom door. Through here is another bathroom. Super simple functional layout in here with the central wall. You have a toilet around one side and then a shower around the other. This vanity is super generously sized, and then you have this 100 by 100 olive tile that features in every single bathroom and the laundry. So down the hallway and you pass 2 bedrooms. Look at the detail on this place. Even the hinges are our brushed copper hinges, just tying it all back in together. Both of these bedrooms have their own access to this terrace garden overlooking the pool. And then finally we enter the master. Now you can see this really clearly from the pool area, but they've actually rotated this bedroom so that it's completely east facing. And you can see that morning sun just pouring in through those windows there. This space in particular is just defined by its unique layout and angles. You'll see that in the bathroom and in the walk-in robe. You can see that the rotation of that bedroom has given the bathroom this super unique, almost triangular layout. And then these tiled walls only going midway up the wall, it creates this sense that the ceiling is just soaring above you. And then finally, from this bath, you've got a perfect view looking out over to Snapper Rocks. Now, sloped blocks might be a little bit hard to work with, but I find that they offer the opportunity to add real character to a home, and here's a great example of that. This two-leveled layout meant that one of my favourite features of this home was able to come to fruition. Under the staircase here, this is such a clever use of space. This built-in lounge area just feels so resort-like, and they've actually mimicked this over in the pool area as well. Architecturally, if there's one word I'd use to describe Vantage, it would be surprising. There's these unexpected lines and shapes that form this functional yet fervently unique home. And then the interior fit out, in my opinion, is just flawless. Texture brings the minimal palette to life, and then by keeping those finishes consistent, it allows you to properly appreciate the architecture and the home as a whole. Thanks for coming on another house tour with ABI Interiors, guys. We'll see you next time.